Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log out of your Solflare application. For that, make sure you have the application and you're logged into your account. Now at this home page, at the bottom right, you can see settings icon, tap on it. And here you can see various options: general, address book, notifications, settings and privacy and support. You need to tap on security and privacy. And there also you can see various options, and at the bottom at the last you can see log out, remove all wallets and clear all data. Tap on it. Now this kind of box will pop up. Make sure you have your recovery phrase. Your recovery phrase is the only way to restore your wallets if you log out. You can continue if you wish to log out and remove your recovery phrase and all the imported wallets. Now you can simply tap on continue. Again, this kind of box will pop up. Log out only if you have safely stored your recovery phrase. This action will remove all wallets, contacts and settings. Now you need to simply toggle up the I understand button. And after that, tap on log out. And now you can see that you are logged out of your Solflare wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.